how often should you actually service your HVAC system? Well, in most cases, it's twice a year. Once before the cooling season and once before the heat. That keeps everything running smooth, clean, and efficient all year round. But if you live somewhere like South Texas or South Florida, once a year might be enough, because let's be real, those climates have 2 seasons, summer and summer. If your system barely takes a break, you can check it annually to make sure you're ready to work every month of the year in the heat. HVAC doesn't need constant attention, but ignoring it completely is how problems sneak up.